What's going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? I hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy DS Dan. As you guys can see, we got the Air Jordan 13. He got games on deck. Just copped these today. About to give you guys a quick overlook of this shoe. I know a lot of people know what the He Got games look like. They released them a couple of times already. And yeah, just a classic shoe. I had to pick these up today. Before we get into it, hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. But they finally gave us the OG box. Of course, I got my receipt. And yeah, man, just... yeah, you guys already know, not too much to talk about. Real basic, white, black, red. And yeah, it's just a classic shoe, man. Probably one of the best 13s out there. You know what I'm saying? One of them. And yeah, man, take a look. Basically, the shoe is exactly like the last pair that released. There ain't no differences. Just exactly the same. Kind of happy they released these again because I actually did sell my pair that I had. But yeah, man, the leather up here is pretty nice. You got some nice nubuck over here on the side, which is pretty soft. Of course, on the toe, you got the nice tumble leather. Real nice. On the tongue, you got your tumble with your red Jumpman on there stitched in. All around classic shoe. Definitely happy to have these in the collection. We're about to just get straight into it, guys. I got a lot of things to do today, but a lot of people have been asking me why I haven't did the video on these early. For some reason, my spots, a couple people that I know, they got them late. About to give you guys a quick on-feet look. Let me know in the comment section, did you guys cop? Did you guys pass? The last time they released, a lot of people had them and they was not going to pick them up again. And I'm going to show you guys them both together. Take a look. Y'all already know what the He Got games look like. I'm sure of that. But yeah, we about to get straight into the on feet right now. Stay tuned. Got more videos to come. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned. I might have a giveaway coming also. It's your boy DS Dan, and I'm gone.
That slick mix, nigga.
Spend time. When the mother group bitch call me, I decline. She asked me, am I gonna work for? Said I might. She thinks that I only want one night. She heard that I'm good for laying pipe. I might wife you when the time is right. But right now I'm on a go, I'm catching flights. I might do your friend if she lets me. I might pull up in a Bentley. Got no time for the stressing. I don't. Forever young, so you know I'm flexing. Ay, stack up just to spend. I don't need no friends. Ay, these niggas buying style. I be saying trends. Ay, walking through the mall with a couple fans. I do what I want, you do what you can. I don't want her money, I want her mine. We don't gotta fuck, we can spend time. When the mother group bitch call me, I decline. She asked me, am I gonna work for? Said I might. She thinks that I only want one night. She heard that I'm good for laying pipe. I might wife you when the time is right. But right now I'm on a go, I'm catching flights.